Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up MSI Afterburner. Firstly, go to the official MSI Afterburner website and scroll down, then click on Download Afterburner. A zip file will begin downloading. Now, extract the zip file, then inside it, find the setup file. Right-click on the setup file and select Run as an administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Choose your preferred language and click Next to accept the end-user license agreement. On the Components selection screen, ensure that Riva Turner Static Server is checked. Do not uncheck it or you will have to install it separately. Click Next, then follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the Install button. Just click Install to begin the installation process. During the installation, the Riva Turner Static Server setup will pop up. Follow the on-screen prompts also to click Next until the installation begins, and once finished, click Finish to close the setup. You have successfully now installed MSI Afterburner and Riva Turner. You can now use it for GPU monitoring, overclocking and FPS tracking in-game. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.